Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. What do you do if you have a case going on and your ex-spouse is lying in court? How do you combat that? How do you deal with it? Well, obviously, you're not going to deal with anything. You're going to have a skilled lawyer who's going to be particularly adept in the art of cross-examination, so that he can peel away the layers, so the court can get through the lies and see what the actual truth is. The best way to do it is probably to not gloss over the little things. Focus on those things which are primarily issues that show a lack of credibility. For example, is your ex saying something now which is the opposite of what they wrote when they filed? You always got to look at the pleadings. What did they allege in their pleadings? Did they allege something that's outrageous that they couldn't prove? Did they say, for example, you have a history of drug abuse, and yet it was never proven? That's something that you can use to cross-examine. You can say to the person, you filed sworn pleadings before the court saying that such and such person was a drug addict and alcoholic. What proof do you have that that is the case? You have personal knowledge of that. And they'll probably say, well, I heard this, I heard that. But that's not proof. That's just something you're saying to try and get the court to go your way, right? And when you get it to that point, an overstatement on the part of one party can often be used to show that they lack the credibility. Also, sometimes when people are involved in the throes of litigation, they come up with wild things. They say outrageous things. They say outrageous things before the court. They say outrageous things for the record. And those things can come back to haunt you. A skilled lawyer will take transcripts from old proceedings and use them to cross-examine the person on. Is it true that you said under oath at our prior hearing that your husband makes $50,000 more than you? Yes. If they say no, you show them where it said, how much money do you make? I make 40. How much does he make? 62. That's not 40,000 more, that's 22,000 more. It would seem to me that you're exaggerating the numbers before the court, isn't that right? They're either going to say yes or no. If they say yes, they look like a liar. If they say no, they look like a fool. Either way, it's a way for you to combat the spouse that is trying to mislead the court by redefining the narrative and pulling it away from the facts. If you have questions about that, or you need assistance in that regard, give us a call today and we'll be glad to help you out.